Look at that. Look at all these buildings. Boing, boing, boing. Look at that. This is amazing. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, sightseeing buses by the World Traders Hotel. Okay, kind of want to find out how to take one of these and where you'd get one and what time I can be here. Pretty cool city. I'd like to do this. I guess I know where it's at, so I can go there here in the morning. World Traders Hotel. We're actually going over these bridges. Just take a look here. It's amazing. We're absolutely surrounded by skyscrapers with the river down below. This is people walking across the bridge, pedestrian bridge. Look how amazing that is. Wow. Look at that. This is so cool. Go all the way down like that. All the way across. That's amazing. Cool building as well. Look at that. So this is, I guess kind of on a tour bus. I didn't expect to be on a tour bus, but it just kind of randomly happened, and now I'm in front of this amazing, colorful building. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at all these buildings. Boing, boing, boing. Look at that. This is amazing. This city is unreal. I've traveled to a lot of places, but I've never seen anything like this in my life. Like not just the buildings, but the city. Dang, they're building something huge right there too. And over there's the river. Oops. Yeah, look at that. Got these views of the river. Look at that. There's a whole park that people can all the way around. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is already pretty cool anyways. But now we have this view right here. Wow, look at that. We're gonna walk over there and get a good picture. Look at that skyline. I didn't expect that. I thought it was pretty amazing where we were at already, and now I get over here and it's like, wow. Did not expect that at all. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. We just went over that bridge. Sheesh. Whoa. Look how cool this is right there. There's like a little golden temple thing right there. Man, this city is like insanely beautiful. Can't believe it. Look at that. Okay, this is in 2.7 instead of 4.0. So I can zoom in a little bit and just try to get the skyline. This It's just insanely beautiful. The city is just amazing. Look at that. And people walk over that bridge. They walk all the way over here at nighttime. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. The city's insane. How beautiful is that? It's like a couple that's, yeah, it's just like insane. It's kind of cool because you can see all these little people everywhere and they take pictures in their wedding dresses. Man, this is like just insane. And then over there you can see this is all that, and then there's the trains that go all the way across too. This is just insane. Look how beautiful that is. We're gonna walk along it and just, whoa. Beautiful all the way down. That's a different bridge too. Building that we were at a little while ago, kind of bursting with colors a little bit. So we got this bridge. We got this bridge too. There it is. It's bursting in kind of like ship formation and different designs. This is a really amazing city. Kind of hard to see, but there's the water. We're pretty close down below. And there's, you can see a bridge right there, and there's all these street lights on the street as well. Inside of a tour bus. This would be amazing if I was inside, but it's cool in a bus too. Bridge. Okay, so here's a different angle. So we were over there earlier, and now we're over here. So. And I think the main island is over here. This is where I've been staying the whole time, I think. And then this was across that bridge. So now we're on another side of the water as well. So yeah, pretty amazing. Just kind of see. So yeah. Pretty cool. Got another view. Another view at night, so you got kind of like this waterfront with all these parks, and then you got all this right here, and that right there is the kind of the center park, and all those boats. That's where we were at earlier, but then you're kind of surrounded still by all these big skyscrapers everywhere. Man, amazing, amazing city. Okay, let's take a look around here. Hello, 5G, hello. All these tall buildings everywhere. And we're gonna be right in the middle of the street where there's a lot of activity, a lot of people walking around, and a lot of tall buildings. Pretty cool street. Pretty cool city, man. Didn't really expect it. Didn't expect the city to be kind of thought it could be pretty cool. Has all the characteristics. It's like mountainous, hilly, rivers, super dense. And it is. Okay, we're gonna walk right into the density of people. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.